Hello there, everybody. I am Asda. Yeah, sorry about long in posting something. So today I'm gonna show for somebody who are interested in Game Boy stuff. Uh, I mean the emulator. You know, everyone knows it too, right? Okay. So today I'm going to show you how to download Game Boy, which means Visual Boy Advance. Yeah. So here we go. First of all, let's go to the Google. At your Google and type Visual Boy Advance. Just type like that, enter it. There you go, coolroom.com. Just open the link. Yeah, just like that. Open the link. There you will see this one, coolroom.com. And here you will see something like this one. Sorry, okay, like this one. Okay, the file size is 644.23. Okay, once you have got into this site, just click download now, like that, and just wait for it, and you just wait for this seconds to be finished. Yes, 8 seconds. So yeah, wait until it finished and click download. It only needs 2 or 3 minutes to complete the. I mean, oh, pardon. If it's an emulator, it takes seconds to finish it. So yeah, after you download it, after it appears, I mean like wait for the downloading to appear in 2 seconds. Yeah, wait until it finishes. So uh, then something like download now will be appears if I am correctly. Then please click below to download Visual Boy Advance 1.8.0 Beta 3 zip. Yeah, just click on download. Sorry, I'm not going to click it since I already have it. After you download it, then it may appear on your download. So click here. Not this one. The download, yes. Click here. Then you will see this one, Visual Boy Advance. Yeah, like that. Then put in whatever files you like, or you can create your own file to put it in. Like me, I type like this, then like this. I type it on myself. Yeah, I know. Like this, yeah. I was copying like the one at the download one. At the download one, I copy it. So yeah, like this. After it, there you will saw something like this. Visual Boy Advance. Before you start to play the game, easy. After you download it, put in one file, extract it, and once you see this, go to the same website. Enter ROM search. You search something like games. I mean the GBA games. Yeah, very easy stuff. Uh, let's search for some games. Okay. Um, I think Fire Emblem, the Sacred Stone. Go. Okay, once you enter it, find receive game for advanced one. Here you go. Click on it. Okay, here you go. You will saw it. Like this one. The game you. This one is for example. You can find it for yourself if you don't like this game. You can find it like Mega Man Battle Network 6 or Final Fantasy Tactics or something like that. So yeah, just this one just for example. So once you download it, okay, so like before, click download now. Okay, click download now. You click it, the same link will appear in front of your eyes. Yeah, yeah. View our sponsor message while you download link appears like that. And this time it will start to be um 2 or 3 minutes to complete. If the file was a bit small, well, 1 minute. Yeah, like that. Um, the same stuff like earlier. Download something appears like that. Just wait for uh, this thing. Yeah, once this one is 0 seconds, then something thing like this. Download your file will appear. There you go. Just click on download. I'm not going to click it since I already have it. Okay, so yeah, I have to put it back. This time, okay, okay. You have the Visual Boy Advance. Click here, open, and then wait for something appear. I mean, oh, before you start playing it, just go to the same place earlier at the download. Here at the download, then the game will appear on it. Just don't extract it. Just take it into the file VisualBoyAdvance, like it. Okay. Uh, just like I put it on this one. Got it? Okay. So after you put something like this inside it, just yeah, like earlier, VisualBoyAdvance. Double click it, appears this thing. Go to file, open it. Then here you go. Uh, Fire Emblem Sacred Stone. Okay. Fire Emblem Sacred Stone. Okay. Now I hate being lag. Yeah, like that. Yes, like that, and press any button to continue. Yeah, press it. There you go. For the for this one to fast and press space. It looks like. Have you seen? Okay. So yeah, like that. Then if you want to finish this thing, click, press enter. There you go. You will inside this one like this. Okay. Then press start and press the button up here there. This one just for example. Sorry for the lag since I was recording it. Yeah. Super lag. It doesn't look like this once you got the game. Like, got it? Yeah. Let's try playing one round in this games. Well, it works fine for me, and I was using Windows 7 Professional. Pretty cool how this game, but I think you guys won't like it. I just doing this for example in the video I'm recording right now. Let's begin the game. Oopsie. And for me this one's working fine. Okay, what should I say? I don't know what things to say, so yeah, it does work fine. Anyway, I think I should done playing over here now. So, guys, if you have any problem, just ask me. Sorry about my bad recording because I was sick and yeah, I'm real sick. Okay, not play sick. Uh, Fire Emblem is my favorite game. So yeah. Okay, so let me reply. Let me show you guys again. First, like before, go to VisualBoyAdvance, then go here. Once you go here, then see, I think it's too late now. So once you go there, then you will saw something like this, and you press it. Blah 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 blah. Just watch that again earlier, okay? And I was glad once I met this VisualBoyAdvance. It makes me great while playing it. It was really interesting how the comments stand. This one. This one. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching it. And if you have any problem, just search. Just send some message for me. Then I'll help you clear it. So happy day. Yeah. The names. My. The names is Kelvin. So yeah, you can call me Kelvin. If you have any problem, just search me. Yeah. That's all. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like.